term shotgun harvested donor because that's a slang term for when somebody's been punched multiple times for multiple surgeries. Now you can see this area where all these little scarred areas that are left without hair, okay, this is called shotgun harvested donor. What they did in the past is they would use an instrument that would look something like this. They would take that instrument, they would punch a hole out of the back, they would take this area that was punched out and then punch a hole on the top of the head and then plug it in. There's a better way to do this out there.